if you're in secondary school, I'm going to share with you some businesses that you could start while you're still studying and get some extra pocket money or something that you can really put in more time and see it grow. My name is Davies and I own my own exterior cleaning business. So we provide pressure washing services. We clean everything that is outside. All right, so I'm going to share with you, if you are in secondary school, think about these services that you could provide. And the first one is domestic cleaning. Domestic cleaning is where you go into homes and then you clean the inside of the home. It can be from dusting furniture, cleaning the floor, cleaning the stoves, cleaning the kitchen, you name it, domestic cleaning. You don't need a lot to start such as a side hustle. So you can either charge per job or you can charge per hour. So another one is painting. Painting is not much really. It's not complicated to paint. So consider also painting services. You know, you don't need much to start. And I'm just sharing the businesses where you don't need a lot of capital to start. Another business that you could consider or side hustle you could consider doing is washing cars. You know, since you don't have money for a location, you could choose to go to their homes. People love convenience. So you just identify how much you'll be charging. You can maybe visit some of the car washing bays, see the prices they're charging, and then maybe you can add something because you're providing convenience. Another one is lawn care. You can save up and maybe get a second-hand mower. So you just find out if you could buy a second-hand machine and how much it costs, and then try to save up towards it really. You understand? Of course, another one is if you have a bike, you know, you could consider providing delivery service. You deliver food, you reach out to restaurants and you offer those services whereby if a customer calls and makes an order to a restaurant, it is you that they call to pick up the food and take it to the customer, and then you charge a fee. So these are all services, and you know I'm focusing on services because first I'm in the service space, but also there's low barrier to entry to such services. You don't really need much capital to start such services. That's why I'm encouraging people, you can start a service. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not yet subscribed, and please leave a comment. Leave a comment below. Which of those services are you interested in starting? I would love to hear your thoughts. You know, and I endeavor to always answer every single comment left in the comment section below. And also, if you're interested in joining a membership club where you're going to find other people that are building businesses, experienced people, see behind the scenes of building this business, and also be able to ask questions, consider joining the membership club, our YouTube membership club. And that is by hitting the join button below under this video. So I thank you as always for watching this video or my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.